Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. I am back with another video all about scalp care, one of my favorite, if not my most favorite hair care topic. Scalp care is the beginning of it all. Without a healthy scalp care routine, you're not going to have healthy hair, you're not going to have the hair growth that you want. So I think scalp care is super important and should be a major part of every curly girl's routine. Actually, anybody, no matter your hair type, if it's straight, wavy, coily, curly, you need a scalp care routine. So I'm super excited to introduce the sponsor of today's video, AROMASE. So today I'm going to be talking to you and showing you how I use some scalp care products I received from AROMASE. I have 4 products in total. I have the Scalp Purifying Liquid Shampoo that I'm going to be using as my pre-poo. The next product I have is the Anti-Hair Loss Essential Shampoo. This packaging is so unique. I love how the green of the bottle matches my nails right now. Also, the packaging of the products is made out of 100% recyclable materials, which I think is awesome and very fitting since I am filming this on Earth Day. And lastly, I have this herbal scalp care spray, which is a leave-in scalp treatment. So those are the 4 products I'm going to be sharing with you all today. I obviously already used them. I shampooed, conditioned, styled my hair. I must say this is a really good wash day. I love the way that my hair came out today, but let's just jump right into it so I can tell you all about it. I completely forgot to mention that there is a giveaway in this video, so make sure you watch to the end to see what product you have a chance of winning from AROMASE, and also make sure to check out the description box below to follow the giveaway rules. Okay, just so you guys know, I'm literally filming this voiceover in my closet because isn't it crazy that the moment I try to film my voiceover, somebody starts mowing their lawn? But anyway, I digress. We're gonna get started with this Scalp Purifying Liquid Shampoo. This is a pre-poo treatment. As you can see, my hair, it's been a minute since I washed my hair, since I did anything. I really was in need of just a good detox. Lately, I've been going longer and longer days without washing my hair, which is kind of good and bad depending on what I do to my hair that week, how much product I'm using, and just how I'm taking care of it in general. So this treatment is meant to be used on your dry scalp before you get in the shower, and it's a really watery consistency, so it's really easy to apply. Also, the applicator makes it super easy to get in and out of your roots without having to section your hair in a bunch of different parts. So I'm just making sure to apply this everywhere and apply it evenly. I'm putting it down by the nape of my neck, I'm putting it at the crown of my head, on the sides of my hair, everywhere. It's gonna help soften and clean any buildup you have, whether that's from the products you're using or if you have dandruff or any other scalp care issues. So I'm just rubbing that product into my hair for a few minutes before I get in the shower and rinse it out. It does have like a subtle cooling effect. It feels really nice on my scalp, and I can like hear and feel that it's starting to set up. So the bottle also has these little tick marks here to help you gauge how much product you're using. There we go. So mine, it's hard to see, but I use all the way up to this first line here. So if I follow that pattern, I should be able to use this 9 times before I run out of the product. Now that I'm in the shower, I'm going to go in with the Anti-Hair Loss Essential Shampoo. This shampoo helps strengthen your hair roots and can be used on all scalp types and is especially good for people who have thin hair types. It says it adds volume to thin hair. Even though I do not consider myself to have thin hair, I can definitely see how this added volume to my hair on day 1. Next, I'm going in with the Red Rose Damage Recovery Conditioner. This conditioner is meant to nourish and replenish your hair. I was pleasantly surprised with how hydrating this conditioner was. Even though it does say it deeply hydrates your hair from root to tip, I honestly was not expecting it to be that like hydrating or really have that much slip. It actually had a lot of slip and made it super easy to detangle my hair and run my fingers through my hair, and I really enjoyed this conditioner. So I ended up leaving the conditioner on my hair as I washed my body, and then I detangled in the shower with my detangling brush and I rinsed it out. So the next thing I'm going to be using is this AROMASE leave-in scalp treatment, and it spritz out like a mist, so I really like that. So this was made to strengthen your hair roots and nourish your scalp, and 6 features of the healthy leave-in scalp treatment are: it has herbal extracts, it has essential oils, it has 0% estrogen, and it's free of artificial coloring, drug ingredients, and chemical preservatives. And I'm just making sure to kind of loosely part and section my hair to get this actually on my scalp and not just on my hair strands. Now that that is all applied, I'm going to go ahead and start styling my hair. For today's wash day, I'm going to be using some of my favorite products. I'm just going to be using my TGIN Green Tea Leave-In Conditioner, my DN Organics Styling Gel, and then my TGIN Curl Defining Mousse. And I'm just going to fast forward through my styling process because I'm not using any new products. And I'm just doing the same exact styling routine that I always do: cream, gel, and mousse. That is my go-to. Okay, I am back. My hair is completely dry, and this has to be one of the best wash days I've had in such a long time. I'm also really liking this side part now that my hair is getting long. I definitely think the scalp care products helped reset my hair and kind of set the tone to have such a good wash day, and I'm just really happy with how these products worked for me. I personally will use these products when I know my hair needs a major reset and needs a good detox, but since I don't deal with major scalp issues like dermatitis or psoriasis, they aren't something that I would use on my hair every single week or every time I wash my hair. But if you do deal with those issues, these products were made for you, and as I mentioned earlier, there is a giveaway, and for the giveaway you have the chance of winning one of these scalp purifying liquid shampoos. This is the product that I use for my pre-poo. If you don't start your wash day before you get in the shower, you're probably missing out on some very important parts of a healthy routine, and a pre-poo like this would be super helpful to fill in the gaps. And like I mentioned earlier, this one soothes and conditions your scalp for healthy hair growth, so it's perfect. And if you want a chance to win one of these, make sure you follow all the giveaway instructions down in the description box below. Also, our only private means of communication will probably be Instagram, so make sure that your profile is public, at least for the duration of the giveaway, so that I can communicate with you and get your address and your name and all that stuff privately. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you're subscribed before you go and turn on your bell notifications so you never miss when I post a new video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!